A brand new software creates completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. Free hosting included, instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs, automatic site creation, DFY blog content included. Automatically creates blog full of relevant content, and content is all based on the coupons we place on your site. Enter coupon IFA 2 at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. Choose any coupon niche you want to place on your website. Coupon IFA app automatically creates a completely coupon affiliate website for you in just seconds and automatically embeds each coupon with your affiliate link. Coupon IFA allows you to create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. All you need to do is just enter your affiliate IDs and choose your niche. Coupon IFA will do the rest of the work for you. Enter coupon IFA 2 at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. 60,000 plus done-for-you coupons from different categories. Easy to choose done-for-you up-to-date coupons from the library. The chosen coupons are automatically embedded with your affiliate links once any campaign published. Done-for-you blog for your coupon affiliate site. Automatically create done-for-you blog posts which are relevant to products you are setting coupons. These blog posts are set up on drip feeding mode, and you always get up-to-date content every day. This works like a tireless robot to help you get free traffic from search engines. Get instant approval for promoting products from 1,000 plus affiliate programs. Don't worry if you are newbies and don't have any affiliate account, we have tutorials to show you to get instant approval for more than 1,000 affiliate programs. Earn affiliate commissions for promoting products from thousands of stores and brands. Automatically earn commissions from different brands and stores on your coupon affiliate sites: Amazon, Flipkart, Dell, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Lenovo, Puma, LG, Reebok, SkincareRx, etc. 100% automated sites. These coupon IFA sites run on 100% autopilot, which allows you to enjoy commissions from different platforms, plus new coupons are updated day by day, even if you are away from your computer. Works on Windows, Mac, and mobile phones. This bad boy works on any device of your choice, as long as it's connected to the internet. That's because it's a web-based app. Get the most out of Coupon IFA with our series of in-depth training videos that show all the ins and outs of the software. Enter Coupon IFA 2 at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. After you pick up your copy of Coupon IFA, you can have a fully functional site loaded with 60,000 done-for-you coupons and high-quality automatic daily blog posts that's optimized for Google overnight. Just picture what it would be like to have your coupon affiliate website at the top of Google. How easy would it be to get massive free traffic flowing in like a broken dam to your coupon affiliate websites? Would that change things for you in 2022? Coupon IFA is the shortcut you've been looking for. It lets you work smart, not hard, by giving people discount codes for anything they already want to buy. Tired of hopping from software to software, wasting money, trying to find that one solution that will change everything for you? Tired of wasting thousands on different paid traffic methods? Tired of the ineffective free traffic methods that only leave you exhausted, with just a lick of energy left? Tired of waiting patiently for results when you need them right now, not weeks, months, or years from now? Get up and running fast and see your first high-quality visitors flowing in as soon as today. Stuff your affiliate account full of commissions to the point where it's overflowing. Begin receiving thousands of hits of buyer traffic that are eager to click on coupons and buy products. Jam-pack your site full of high-quality, SEO-optimized content so you can start enjoying first-page rankings on Google and get targeted free traffic to your coupon affiliate website. Enter Coupon IFA 2 at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. It's like having a tireless robot working for you 24/7 to create a coupon affiliate website, embed each coupon with your affiliate links, and drip feed relevant content to your coupon affiliate website every day. Picture this fictitious scene for a second. You have a huge office full of bright officers or virtual assistants working around the clock to help you build an affiliate website and keep adding new coupons and relevant blog posts every day. They post it on your site and you get to relish the thrill of all the free traffic. Now, in a perfect world this doesn't exist. You'd need to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly to build this kind of operation, which the average Joe can't afford. The good news? You don't have to. Couponify is like having a huge team of the best virtual assistants and the best writers, but better. Because you won't have to pay an extra penny out of your pocket. Gone are the days of you wasting your time, trying to find something that works. You don't have to take the trial and error route. I did myself and it cost me tens of thousands of dollars and years of wasted time before I started seeing results. And it could be worse for you. That's why I'm so excited to present Couponify to you today, because it has the power to change your online business forever. This is your chance to astronomically make thousands of affiliate commissions by helping people get discount codes on their purchase. You're getting the chance to access a one-of-a-kind software that has the power to create a completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate website in just seconds. Creating a completed coupon affiliate site takes just seconds. With Couponify, you have power to create multiple coupon affiliate websites at same time. It means 10x your affiliate commissions in a day. Look. We spent thousands to develop this beauty of a software. In fact, we sold this offer on a webinar for $997. And you know what? Dozens took us up on it. Because they knew how fast Couponify would pay for itself. They knew Couponify was their turning point. However, we know $997 is a lot of money to put out front. We know what it's like to be in your shoes. Which is why we're going to offer you Couponify at a price everyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997. You won't pay $297. Not $97. Not even $47. Just the price of a pizza. Enter Couponify 2 at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. Listen, I know it's hard to get started with new things, especially if you've had a bad experience or two. But if you want to see success online, regardless if you get Couponify or not, you will need to move forward and take action. Winners take action, period. And those who sit and wait remain in the same position. After all, what's the point in waiting? All the time that goes by is a time where you could have been generating affiliate commissions. You are essentially losing money every minute you wait. I don't get the purpose in doing that. However, in the end it is ultimately your decision. I honestly don't need your money. If you're looking to strap yourself on a rocket towards success this year, then look no further than Couponify. Take that mini leap of faith. You will thank yourself later. To get started for a low one-time investment, all you have to do is click that shiny button below. Enter Couponify 2 at checkout to get $2